Have you ever pondered the significance of the various symbols in Hinduism? Hinduism, one of the world's oldest religions, is abundant with rich symbolism. Each symbol, every line, every dot, and every curve all contain a deep, profound significance, a story that surpasses time and space. They are not simply mere depictions or artistic expressions, but they serve as portals to the divine, the cosmic truths, and the eternal wisdom. Today, we embark on a journey to discuss the significance of three such symbols: the Om, the Swastika, and the Lotus. The Om, often utilized in meditative practices, is believed to embody the sound of the universe. The Swastika, an ancient emblem, signifies prosperity and good fortune. The Lotus, a stunning bloom, signifies purity and spiritual awakening. But these are merely the surface definitions. There is considerably more that these symbols embody, so stay tuned as we discuss the meaning and significance of these symbols in greater depth. Now, let's unravel the deeper meanings behind the Om, Swastika, and Lotus symbols in Hinduism. Firstly, we delve into the Om. This isn't just a symbol, but a mystical sound resonating through the cosmos. It's an expression of spiritual perfection and the unity of all existence. The Om sound is believed to contain the entire universe, symbolizing the past, present, and future. It's used in daily prayers and meditation within Hinduism, serving as a powerful reminder of the interconnectedness of all beings and elements within the cosmos. Next, we turn our attention to the Swastika. Contrary to misconceptions, in Hinduism, the Swastika is a symbol of prosperity and good fortune. The four arms signify the four directions, symbolizing the omnipresence and omnipotence of the divine. It's often drawn at the entrance of Hindu homes or in ceremonies, inviting positive energy and warding off evil. Lastly, let's contemplate the lotus. This flower, emerging from murky waters yet remaining unblemished, symbolizes purity and divine beauty within Hinduism. It also represents spiritual awakening and the journey of the soul towards enlightenment. It's frequently depicted in the hands of Hindu deities or used in rituals, embodying the transcendent beauty of the divine and the potential for spiritual growth. These symbols serve as a gateway to understanding the complex philosophy of Hinduism. They're not just mere drawings, but profound representations of concepts that guide millions in their Hindu spiritual journey. They're reminders of the rich tapestry of beliefs that make up the intricate and fascinating world of Hinduism. So, reflecting on our exploration of Hinduism symbols, we've delved into the profound meanings of the Om, representing the heart of the universe, the Swastika, symbolizing peace and prosperity, and the Lotus, signifying spiritual enlightenment and purity. These aren't simply artistic creations but powerful spiritual emblems, each bearing profound implications. Comprehending these symbols allows us to appreciate the in-depth and insightful philosophy of Hinduism more fully. We can recall that each Hinduism symbol serves as a gateway to a more profound understanding of the universe and our role within it.